I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy LS Ride 254, man. You tune in for another one. We are inside the garage. Temperature is below 60. It's not a game outside that door right there. Outside that door, I ain't even gonna lie to you, my boy, it's like 20-something degrees. So it is not paint friendly, but we're not painting today. Like I said, this this video right here is just gonna be kind of like a recap. That's what I want to do, a recap. Basically on just the journey that we had with the paint. Look at these, boy. I'm proud of these, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm proud about the car, bro. But this shit right here laid super sexy. Once it warm up, I'm gonna put it on and all that good stuff. What was I about to say? So I'm gonna take the time to do a video. So tell y'all like my recap, painting after action review, whatever term that you familiar with. It makes you feel like that's what it is. After the process of doing the LS Broham paint job, I feel there was some things to take away. Some of them we done already kind of addressed in a live, but I want to go ahead and make a video and let y'all know, the thoughts and everything. The first thing I guess you could say would be the first thing I felt was concerned or whatever is material. I didn't feel as if I had enough material to cover the car more than once. I did have a gallon. I feel like I kind of sprayed too heavy on the hood and the roof on the other car. And that's the reason why the paint color differs just a tad. I'll put a picture up here so y'all can see. So yeah, that's one thing. So the coverage, making sure that the coverage, they were painted at two separate times. So I guess you can kind of understand why it would be different. But in the future going forward, when I mask it off or whatever, we're gonna do it differently this time. We're not gonna mask the hood. We're not gonna do the hood and the roof and then go back and do the rest of the car. We just gonna mask off the windows, side windows. That way when all this get painted, it get painted at the same time. That way it'll be a little bit different, but honestly, it's not gonna be that bad because right here, with the roof there, you really just gotta pay attention to the sides. So that's less area that you actually have to put paint on. So that's a benefit there. So you'll probably save some paint in that aspect. Trunk and the hood and stuff is definitely gonna be the same color. Another thing, material was one thing. Making sure the coverage, making sure that I have enough. There's gonna be one concern. Second concern was proper lighting. The lighting that we have in the garage, not the worst, but not the best. And that's why we went ahead and we invested in this gun buddy. So this gun buddy, you turn it on and you're able to have better lighting, especially when you get down here, like in these little areas right here. You can just making sure that your coverage is going to be equal and even all over. And then if I do spot something that needs more coverage, then like I said, having more material, aka having more paint, makes it to where I can go back and I can give those spots attention. So, but it also comes down to technique, going slow. I mean, honestly, if you're going at a slow enough pace and you got your overlap going on, like, I mean, honestly, you shouldn't have to go back and hit those special spots, you know what I'm saying? But it does happen. It is what it is. But that'll be another thing. This car still a little bit higher because it is up on the 24s. And we did the new shocks and shit all the way around. So this one maybe a little bit easier because it's not as low to the ground to get some of those bottom spots or like the bottom of the fender, etc., etc. What else? What else did we take? Like I said, it really wasn't a lot that we had to take from it. It was just the part. It was just the fact that it needed to be done. You know what I'm saying? It was just the fact that it needed to be done. Of course, all this gonna have to get scuffed up on this one. So yeah, like I said, looking back at the other car, having enough material, checking our technique, having proper lighting. On the other car, we didn't do like multiple coats of clear. We did like 1.5, if that, coats of clear. So this time we make sure that we're gonna have enough clear. So it's 2 gallons of clear there. So we'll be good on clear. Another thing is these little 20 ounce cups. I mean, don't get me wrong, they are already filtered. They're already filtered. They're pretty easy to swap out or whatever. However, depending upon the thickness of the paint and your air pressure, I'm assuming, that's going to determine how fast you run through a 20 ounce. In those situations, I mean, it may be a little bit more beneficial. It may be a little bit more beneficial to run one of these larger cups. I think this is like a 20, yeah. So that's the 20. That's what comes with it on the Harbor Freight guns, 20 ounce. These here is a little bit larger. I think this is probably the closest thing to an actual true quart. But yeah, running the larger cups, you don't have to change as many times or whatever. So that's something to also think about. I think somebody was telling me that the 3M disposable cup system is, I think they said the 3M has like larger. It's not just the 20 ounce. Well, like I said, don't get me wrong. I mean, the 20 ounce will get the job done. I mean, you probably run through, depending upon how much paint or how many quarts. Well, I mean, technically you can't even say quarts. depending upon how many ounces you mix up. So it's 20 ounces. So say you mix up 60 ounces. That's 3 of these. That's half a gallon. And then, like I said, depending upon technique, air pressure, gun you using. I mean, that's going. All of that is going to affect, I guess, how much paint it is that you actually use. So there's that. But yeah, with those things addressed or brought to light, like I said, just having enough material, better lighting, technique, lighting, technique, material. Those are really the big 3 things, man. The only really big 3 things that I noticed or I felt like needed the most attention as we go and we journey to do this one more again. So, real short video. Well, I mean, not the shortest, but a shorter video. But yeah, this one, we'll get it. It's almost the end of February. Like I said, man, we'll probably start sanding away on this junk here in the probably very near future.